Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the physical facts. You need the exact weight and the declared purity. Once you have those, pull the live international spot price in dollar per troy ounce or dollar per gram. Timing matters because spot moves continuously. Make sure to convert units immediately if the feed is in ounces and your item is in grams. Keep the original certificate or ask for an independent assay while you do the math. This anchors every later calculation. Now compute the intrinsic metal value. Convert purity to a decimal fraction. 24K is 1, 22K is approximately 0. 9,167, and multiply spot price per gram by that purity and by the exact weight. Once done, add explicit making charges, dealer commission, or refinery fees the seller states. Those are separate from raw gold value. Also include applicable taxes. Doing this shows the fair base. Finally, compare the seller's offered price to your calculated fair value, including all fees and taxes. If the seller's rate is lower than your computed total beyond an acceptable margin, ask for an independent assay, a written fee breakdown, or refuse the deal. Once agreed, get a printed receipt showing the spot reference time and a certificate. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers don't match, recheck unit conversions, purity decimal, the exact timestamp of the spot feed, and any hidden charges before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.